It's like we are getting so many things from this ground. The trees, the plants, the foodstuff, the minerals, so many things. There is everything, complete. You see in your garden, there are different types of flowers, color, scent, flavor. But where from it is coming? It is coming from the earth. Can you make any scent from the earth? But the scent is coming from the earth, the rose flavor. Where from it is coming? It is there. Anyone can understand. But you cannot extract that. Krishna requires his hand. When Krishna is there in the form of seed, Krishna says, bijo sarva-bhutanam. I am the seed of all living beings. The seed. That is, it's like there is sex. Unless the seed is there is no child. Similarly, unless the seed is there is no plantation. The banyan tree is there because the seed is there. And the rose tree is there because the seed is there. And Krishna claims, bijo sarva-bhutanam. And Krishna's potency are there in the seed. So that different types of seeds producing different types of flowers, fruits, color, flavor. This is Krishna's supervision, Mayadhyaksena.